you.
Huh?
Better than you. Better than you.
Do it.
Better than you. Better than you.
I am.
Better than you. Better than you. I can do anything better than you.
Okay, jealousy, envy me, say me out of sympathy. Finger to my enemies, ain't nobody better than me. I want it all, the world is mine, I get it all, man. I'm so bad, not even Jesus can rescue me. Well, that's explicit, but I hear it in the lyrics. The pride, self-esteem, image, getting beat and kill it. Wait, did you forget? Spitting the best, lyrical vet, heart on my chest, ripping and killing the beat like I never done it because I never would rest. Had an issue with rappers I used to rap to, same ones that dap you probably turn their backs to. Fueled by the jealousy, they diss you and attack you. Don't ever burn a bridge that you might have to come back to. The closer they are, the quicker they can hurt you. That's why I run a small team in a tight circle. Me, myself, and I, perfect pyramid, period. How serious, delirious for all that I'm here.